Hello guys, how to fix audio sound error 0xc00d4e86 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of sound error, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is right click on start button and choose settings. You may press Windows key plus I shortcut key to open Windows settings. Here from the left side under system settings, go to right side and you will find troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot and here choose other troubleshooters, and from the top of the page run the audio troubleshooter. This is the first and initial workaround, and Windows inbuilt tools troubleshooter may be helpful for various major and minor type of computer related issues. So you must apply a troubleshoot process for each and every error or trouble in your system. Follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. Once completed, close the windows and check whether your audio error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, launch Windows settings. Right click on start button and choose settings. And here from the left side, go to system. Thereafter, go to right side and choose sound. Click on sound. And here choose your input output method speaker. Click on this, choose a device for speaking, and here scroll down and you will find the option allow apps and windows to use this device for audio. Once click on don't allow and again re-allow. Click on don't allow and again choose allow. Thereafter check your audio error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one more fixes is again right click on start button and choose device manager and update your audio driver. In device manager window will open. Here go to the audio processing, audio inputs and outputs, and here choose your audio device and right click on it and choose update driver. Choose search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers for your device are already installed message will appear, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button, choose settings, and in Windows settings scroll down, go to apps and repair media player. Click on installed apps and here look for media player. Type media player on the search field and click on 3 horizontal dot against media player option. Click on advanced options and here scroll down and you will find the option reset. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. First choose repair, and if this app still is not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. But before you do, try resetting from within the app's own settings page instead of here. So choose reset here and reset your media player and check whether your audio error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again launch Windows settings, and here from the left side go to system settings, thereafter go to right side and here again choose sound and disable audio enhancement. Here scroll down and go to your speaker or audio device, click on it and here scroll down and you will find the option audio enhancement. Simply click on a small arrow and choose off. Your audio error will definitely be resolved. Restart your system. That's all.